Yesterday, Patty and I went to this like garage sale that's a fundraiser for a local sorority. They give out scholarships and donate to charities. And we found a few things yesterday. I'm going to show you real quick here. I found this West Bend slow cooker, paid $3 for it. I think we're going to probably get 25, 30 bucks for that. Also found this electric skillet. I think it's called Kitchen Nutrition. Paid $4 for it, probably again $30, $35. And then I got a New Wave cooker. That's the second one I bought. Now this one's older, but for $5 I'm going to part that out, and we're definitely going to do real well with that. Patty also was able to pick up some jewelry for $1 a piece for an upcoming Whatnot auction we're going to have. I didn't buy an item that I should have bought, but I was thinking I would wait till Saturday and get it when it's half off, but now I'm afraid it's not going to be there, and the comps are really good on it. So we're going to go back to that sale right now, you and me, and then we're going to go check out a couple more sales. Patty can't come with us, so come along with me if you want to find out what I'm going to find.
Hello.
Hello. So this is the item that I'd left behind the day before. They were asking $15 for it. It's an old Westinghouse fan, and it was still there. So I went ahead and grabbed it.
Sorry.
Yes, I think she's got 3 of them right now.
Now I spot this bread maker. It's an Oster bread maker. I remember seeing YouTubers saying you can part out the bucket and the paddle because sometimes people's paddles break, and this one's in good conditions. Now I pass on it initially at $10, but later that afternoon I go back and it was marked down to $5, so I do end up bringing this home. We may sell it as a complete unit as it's in really good shape. Now this was the first time I tried filming with the GoPro with my new neck attachment, and unfortunately I don't have the camera angled down enough to where you can actually see what I am looking at. I'm going through a bin here. I didn't end up buying anything out of it. There was also a part where I was looking at this old bread box. Unfortunately, it was just too discolored and too rusted. You'll see it coming up right there. That thing was really cool.
All our bedding stuff back there. I don't know what's left.
Oh, yeah.
But what you really have to do is what you say.
You really have to do it, and you have to do it twice.
All of the men's shirts were $2 a piece. I was just trying to sort through now. This is a Bole Golf, I believe is what it's called. I do end up picking this up after I get home. The comps aren't great on it, but again, at $2, we should be okay. I continue looking through. I was looking for like vintage t-shirts. I didn't actually find any vintage t-shirts here, but I do in just a moment end up finding this Pittsburgh Steelers t-shirt, and I do end up going ahead and picking it up for $2. We've had some luck selling NFL t-shirts like this, so it was in good shape, and I think for the right buyer it'll be a nice shirt. When we were in here the prior day, Patty had seen a necklace that she did not pick up, so she asked me to pick it up if it was still there, and I found it, and we go ahead and pick up that necklace for, I think, $2.
Dishwasher, casserole.
2, 4, 6, and 15, and 21.
I actually have the right change this morning.
Well, would you like a bag for...
No, that's okay. Thank you, though.
Oh, we thank you.
All right, so this is exactly what I had come back for, this old Westinghouse fan. But I did find a couple of shirts I didn't see yesterday. And Patty had asked me to pick up that necklace, so there we go. let's go ahead and we're gonna head to another sale. All right, let's go see what we can find in here at this church rummage sale. Now this is day 2 and it's the last day, so I don't know what we'll find. Once I get inside, I see signs that it's a free will offering rummage sale. So I had never done one of these before, and it was a little odd trying to come up with a price where they weren't going to negotiate. Now, I find these jeans, which I may end up keeping for myself. I haven't decided yet. If not, they will comp very well. And I also looked through some more of the pants, but didn't find any more. I did, however, find a couple nice golf shirts that I go ahead and pick up. I really like the color on that particular shirt. I also go down here and I'm looking at the coats, and what I ultimately find is this really cool coat coming up here, that blue one. It's like blue and tan, it's reversible. It comps as a barn jacket, and I do end up picking up this coat, and it does have a missing button, but overall, the jacket's in very good shape, and hopefully we'll be able to find a buyer for it and make a little money off of this particular jacket. Again, my camera's just not pointed down. This is just a little plastic Melita pour over. It's brand new in the box, so I do go ahead and pick that up. It was about the only thing I found there in terms of like kitchenware. I do like picking up kitchenware and appliances and things like that, or even pots and pans, but there's really just nothing else there that I personally see that I might be able to sell. I do check out this puzzle. It's kind of cool. The problem with puzzles is if they're not brand new, you either have to put them together, I think, or count all the pieces before you sell them. At least that's what we think. We did buy one in Florida recently, and we did go through, and when I say we, I mean Patty went through, counted all 1,000 pieces, make sure they were there. I do end up passing on these puzzles. There was this set of Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls there against the wall. I do kind of check those out. But again, I didn't end up buying them. And in fact, I don't end up buying anything through here. I just decide that there was nothing that I felt like, you know, that was great for us for what we're doing. And so I just pass on all of this stuff. All right, so got a few items, nothing great. It was a free will offering, which I hate because then I'm one of those people, I feel guilty if I don't give. And it's going to the church, and I'm sure it's for good cause. So I gave them $20. I think that jacket I found should pay for everything. And I'm not even sure. I may end up keeping those pants for myself. So I might even keep one of those shirts. So, all right, let's go. There's one more yard sale. Good morning. The first thing I spot here is a couple leather jackets. Now, they were marked up, I think like maybe $25, $30 a piece. I was actually looking more for a jacket for my dad, but unfortunately they weren't the right size. I do look around here a little bit. Everything is marked a little high for being able to resell it and make a profit. So in the end, I don't actually end up buying anything here at this particular garage sale. So I ended up spending $46 today, and I think we're going to easily be able to triple our money with these purchases.